Molecular hydrogen has been making waves in the health and wellness industry due to its potential therapeutic benefits. Backed by over 1,700+ studies and research for over 180 disease models, it is no wonder why doctors, health practitioners, and wellness experts are recommending molecular hydrogen. What is molecular hydrogen? Molecular hydrogen is a colorless, odorless gas molecule. It's actually the smallest molecule, and studies have shown its benefits for overall health and wellness. In fact, hydrogen is so small it is able to penetrate deep into our cell membranes to neutralize harmful free radicals, helping improve health, athletic performance, and energy levels. Let's explore 10 benefits of molecular hydrogen and break down what makes it so helpful to health. But before we start, make sure to stay in the loop. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Benefit number 1. Molecular hydrogen is a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants are substances that help to neutralize the harmful effects of free radicals in the body. They help protect and refuel cells and are especially helpful to athletes seeking to stay strong and focused while training. Molecular hydrogen is a very simple yet effective antioxidant and can deliver strong energy boosts to tired muscles, nerves, and brain cells. Compared to other antioxidant substances, hydrogen is extremely fast-acting, as its simple composition makes it easy for the body to recognize and use effectively. Benefit number 2. H2 helps reduces inflammation. Inflammation is when the body's tissues generate heat and puff out in response to stress. This can be a natural defense mechanism against injury or infection, but can also cause fatigue and a breakdown of natural immunity. Molecular hydrogen can help soothe cellular inflammation, especially as experienced during workouts or when fighting illness. Further studies also indicate that molecular hydrogen can be especially helpful for recovering athletes. It helps by reducing muscle inflammation and lactic acid even during and after intense exercise. Benefit number 3. Molecular hydrogen boosts energy. The body uses oxygen, food, and water to create energy, which in turn helps fuel our cells and perform our best. Energy levels suffer when we're tired, stressed, sleepy, hungry, or thirsty. New research from scientists shows that molecular hydrogen is superlative at protecting cells and boosting natural defenses against disease. Benefit number 4. H2 gas enhances athletic performance. Keeping cells healthy and allowing tissues to work optimally against inflammation are both important components of athletic performance. Molecular hydrogen can greatly improve athletic performance by reducing stress on cells, cutting back on muscle inflammation, improving recovery rates, and boosting energy. Benefit number 5. Molecular hydrogen gas improves brain function. Brain health and focus are other key benefits of molecular hydrogen, as well. The better your brain cells and nerves work, the faster your reflexes will be, the less tired you'll feel, and the more productive and effective you'll be overall. Hydrogen may even improve the health of those already suffering from neurological disease, and research is already being conducted to see if hydrogen gas inhalation may help those with Parkinson's disease. Benefit number 6. Hydrogen gas relieves anxiety and depression. Anxiety and depression are quickly becoming a modern-day epidemic. While treating depression and anxiety often depends on individual responses, there is evidence that the very positive effects that hydrogen has on brain and neurological health overall can help alleviate depression and anxiety symptoms. Studies have shown that hydrogen therapy may improve brain function and neurosynaptic firing, and improve one's mood overall. Benefit number 7. H2 gas improves cardiovascular health. Those properties which make hydrogen anti-inflammatory can also help heart tissue stay healthier longer, as well as improve blood flow throughout the body. The heart takes quite a beating throughout our lives, and inflammation of heart tissue due to stress and exhaustion is a significant factor in heart attacks. The calming effects of hydrogen on cells and tissues can greatly benefit cardiovascular health, keep veins healthy, and keep oxygen moving effectively through your body to further refuel cells. Benefit number 8. Hydrogen gas may protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Neurodegenerative diseases slowly wear away the brain and nervous system's abilities to function and communicate properly, affecting speech, movement, walking, memory, and cognitive ability. and greatly impact a person's ability to independently care for themselves. Research indicates that hydrogen therapy may be beneficial to Parkinson's and Alzheimer's patients as well, helping the nervous system function better, and can also help mitigate some of the effects of aging on the human mind, nervous system, and memory. Benefit number 9. H2 alleviates allergies, asthma, and heals COVID-19 symptoms. Seasonal allergies and asthma, all of which can cause wheezing and restrict airflow. In severe cases, asthma attacks may lead to death. The side effects of COVID-19 on the human lungs are well documented. Molecular hydrogen gas inhalation therapy has been shown to greatly improve the lung health and function of patients post-COVID. H2 inhalation has shown to help boost airflow in patients struggling with asthma, emphysema, and other serious lung issues. Benefit number 10. Molecular hydrogen heals wounds faster. The healing of wounds is closely linked to cellular health, immune health, cellular energy levels, and overall body strength. There is evidence that hydrogen therapy can aid in wound healing more rapidly, as well as a decrease in inflammation, seeping, redness, and pain at the healing site. In summary, molecular hydrogen is a simple yet important molecule has been noted to act as a powerful antioxidant, reduce inflammation, and boost energy. It can also enhance athletic performance, improve brain function, and may mitigate some of the symptoms of depression and anxiety. Molecular hydrogen has also been shown to support cardiovascular health, protect against neurodegenerative diseases, alleviate COVID-19 symptoms, and aid in wound healing. Future applications seem promising, and as mental health globally continues to decline and novel viruses find their way into human populations, hydrogen therapy may find even more beneficial and life-saving uses.